Difficult to say, there's so many. There are so many different ones that can be made.
I think one of the biggest mistakes made by young attorneys is forgetting or just not returning phone calls or emails from either clients or other attorneys. It's definitely important to keep those relationships going and keep the lines of communication open, because you never know when something's going to change, and you definitely need to be on top of that.
Perhaps being unprepared. Being unprepared is probably one of the biggest ones. I like to do a lot of research and have as much as I can in good order, in the most advanced manner that I can. So I like to do a lot of research on cases and have an idea as to what the arguments of the other party are going to be, or how a resolution can be reached sooner without having to go to litigation.
Sometimes attorneys aren't as client-focused as they need to be, and they see a problem and they see a solution and they want to run at that solution. But sometimes the client's not quite ready to run as fast as the attorney is, and they need a little bit more help and guidance, and they need a little bit more explanation as to what exactly is going on. And with a little bit of client care, you can have, I think, a much more successful practice.
Right up there with being unprepared is an inability to, come to a resolution. Every case doesn't have to go to litigation, and in fact, if every case did, it'd be incredibly expensive for all of our clients. So I think keeping an open mind and being respectful of your colleagues, and keeping a good working relationship with them is probably going to be, if not number one, number two, right after the unpreparedness.